In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access cPanel in Crazy Domains. Whether you're starting a new website or managing an existing one, accessing cPanel is a crucial step in controlling your web hosting services. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Crazy Domains website. You can do this by typing in their URL, which is crazydomains.ph, into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the Crazy Domains homepage, where you'll see various options related to domain registration, web hosting, and more. Now, to proceed, look for the Hosting option. This is typically located in the main navigation menu at the top of the homepage. Click on Hosting. This will take you to the Hosting section of Crazy Domains, where you can explore various hosting plans and features they offer. The next step is to select and purchase a hosting plan if you haven't already. The cPanel Control Panel is a tool that comes with your hosting package, so purchasing a hosting plan is necessary to access cPanel. Browse through the available plans and choose one that best suits your needs. Once you've decided on a plan, follow the prompts to complete your purchase. This usually involves selecting the plan, adding it to your cart, and completing the checkout process by providing your payment details and any other required information. After you've successfully purchased a hosting plan, you'll receive a confirmation email from Crazy Domains. This email will contain important information about your new hosting account, including login credentials and links to access your cPanel account. Make sure to save or take note of this information, as you'll need it to log into cPanel. With your hosting plan now active, return to the Crazy Domains website. You should now have access to the cPanel Control Panel link, which will be available in your Account section. Log into your Crazy Domains account using the credentials you created during sign-up. Once logged in, navigate to the section where your purchased hosting plan is listed and look for the cPanel Access link. Clicking this link will redirect you to your cPanel dashboard. Here, you can fully manage your website's backend, including setting up email accounts, managing files, setting up databases, and installing various applications. The interface might seem overwhelming at first, but it's designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive icons and helpful tooltips to guide you. And that's it! You've successfully accessed cPanel through Crazy Domains. Remember, the cPanel is a powerful tool, so take your time to explore its features and make the most of your hosting plan. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Crazy Domains customer support is always available to help. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting!